Do you love people?
I love people. My family means everything to me. We pretty much do everything together. They are so supportive, and we learn from one another, and we grow from one another. I wouldn't be here without them, I will tell you that. People are incredibly beautiful. I just love people in general, honestly. Everybody's needs are different, and you have to realize all types of people require all different types of connection. And I know how to connect to all different types of people and capture them with my heart. When you can connect emotionally with your clients and you get their trust, then it blooms into something much more magical, and it becomes more family-like. It's magnetic. People are magnetic. You're going to get out of people what you put into people, and when you're with me, I put everything I have into you. People are a part of my soul. They fuel my fire inside, and I'm hoping that I can fuel their fire inside of them too. I love my family, and my clients are like my family. They are my family. We're all one big happy family. I love them.